made 3 delicious flavors of cookie dough that won't make you sick. My name is Lori and you're watching The Icing Artist. To get started, we're gonna need to make that cookie dough base, which is pretty easy. I'm just gonna combine some brown sugar, white sugar, salt, and butter, and I'm just gonna fold that together until it's nice and creamy. Of course, guys, for the full recipe and all the different measurements, I will leave that in the description box below. I'm then gonna add in my vanilla extract and my milk, and again, just fold that together. For our flour, I'm gonna need to heat treat this so nobody gets sick. So I just popped that in the microwave until it reached 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It took me about 45 seconds. And then I can just fold that into my cream batter. Now, heat treating sounds kind of funny, but if you think about it, anything that has flour in it normally gets baked and you bake out all that bacteria. So you kind of need to do this so that way it's edible cookie dough. Now it is time for all of the yummy flavors. Of course, you guys can go nuts with this and be super creative. For the first one, I'm gonna make chocolate peanut butter cup because chocolate and peanut butter are my favorite things in this world. And you mix that with a little bit of cookie dough, oh man. Because we're gonna be making chocolate dough and peanut butter dough, I just separated about half a cup of the dough. To the big pile, I'm gonna add some peanut butter and just fold that together and it just looks so creamy. And then to our small bowl, I'm gonna add some melted chocolate. And again, I'm just folding that together. And this chocolatey cookie dough looks amazing. You could have so much fun with recipes with that. But now we're gonna combine the yumminess that is both of these flavors individually to make one awesome magical cookie dough. But don't fold it too much because we still want that marble look. And we're gonna be adding some chopped up peanut butter cups to it as if it wasn't good enough by itself. And just like ice cream, I'm gonna use my ice cream scoop and just scoop it out. And I got these little cute containers at a party supply store and I think they work great. Drizzle it with some peanut butter and top it off with some more peanut butter cups. Totally looks professional. I know you guys wanna see some more flavors. So we're gonna make some s'mores. Totally lame, but this is actually gonna be really good. Again, start off with the same yummy cookie dough base, except this time we're gonna be folding in some mini chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, and chopped up graham crackers. And again, just fold that all together. I am really loving the chunky look of this one where you can see like all of those colors coming through. To give it that really finished look, I just dipped a graham cracker into some melted chocolate and stuck that in the side. Last but certainly not least, this one is simple yet yummy. It's cookies and cream. I just crushed up some Oreos with my rolling pin. The more you crush them, the smaller pieces you're gonna be folding in. It's gonna have more of that really blended cookies and cream. But if you want it to be a little bit more chunky, don't crush them too much. Just topped it off with a half an Oreo and we're good to go. I had a lot of fun this week playing around with these different flavor combinations. Let me know down below what kind of flavors you guys would do. And as always, don't forget to come back here again next week so we can make something else delicious. Bye guys. Speaking of delicious. My God. So good.